Good morning, student. On last turn, I completed up to question number 10 of exercise 10.2. Now today, I am going to start question number 11 of exercise 10.2. This is very important question. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribe a circle is rhombus. This is a parallelogram. It circumscribe the circle PQRS. You have to prove that it is a rhombus. Now, given a parallelogram ABCD circumscribed a circle, to prove ABCD is a rhombus. Now prove AP is equal to AS tangent from exterior point BP is equal to BQ tangent from exterior point, CR is equal to CQ tangent from exterior point, DR is equal to DS tangent from exterior point. Add all these equations. We have already done in question number 8. AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. AP plus BP, it become AB, CR plus DR, it becomes CD, AS plus DS, BQ plus CQ, AB plus CD, AS plus DS become AD, BQ plus CQ become BC. We have already proved in question number 8 up to here. Now, after that, AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. Opposite sides of parallelogram. So, putting in equation 1, putting, or you can write AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD in equation 1. So, AB plus AB is equal to BC plus BC, twice AB is equal to twice BC, 2 and 2 cancel, or AB is equal to BC. Adjacent sides of a parallelogram are equal, so ABCD is rhombus. Hence proved. Now see question number 13. It is also very important question. Opposite sides of quadrilateral circumscribed circle subtend supplementary angle at the center of the circle. This is your quadrilateral. It circumscribed a circle at P, Q, R and S. This is the center O. You have to show that angle AOD plus BOC is 180 and angle AOB plus COD is also 180. Given a quadrilateral ABCD circumscribed a circle with center O, to prove angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 180, angle BOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180. Construction: join OP OQ OR and OS. Join OP OQ OR and OS. Proof: in triangle AOP and AOS, AP is equal to AS, tangents from exterior point OP is equal to OR, OP is equal to OS, that is radii of a circle. OA is common. Therefore, triangle AOP is congruent to triangle AOS by SSS property. So, this angle 1, this angle 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CPCT, that is corresponding part of congruent triangle. Similarly, we can show angle 3 is equal to angle 4, angle 5 is equal to angle 6, and angle 7 is equal to angle 8. Or angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 is equal to 360. Sum of angle at a point. Sum of angles at a point. 1 is equal to 2. So, in place of 1 write it 2. This is also 2. 3. 4 is equal to 3. So, in place of 4 write 3. In place of 5 write 6. 6. In place of 7 write angle 8. Twice angle 2 plus twice angle 3. Write it, this is 7, this is also 7. In place of 8 write angle 7. Twice angle 6 plus twice angle 7 is equal to 360. 2 taking common, angle 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7 is equal to 360. 2 plus 3, that is angle AOB. 6 plus 7, it become angle COD, and angle AOB plus angle COD is equal to 360 upon 2, that is equal to 180 degree. Similarly, we can show angle BOC plus angle AOD also equal to 180 degree. Hence proved. So here this chapter is completed. On next turn I will take your chapter construction. Thank you.